Frisco City leaders and firefighters officially reopened Fire Station 2 in Southeast Frisco following a complete overhaul.
Welcome to the re-grand opening of Frisco Fire Station 2.
After about a year and a half of construction, Frisco's second fire station has an entirely new look, inside and out.
Fire Station 2 opened in the mid-1990s. It was the city's second fire station and served to expand the department's capabilities and address community growth.
Demolition on the station started in the summer of 2024, when crews took the nearly 30-year-old building down to the studs. The expansion created a designated locker room. The open dorm room space was converted into individual sleeping rooms. A storm shelter was built, and the fitness room is now air-conditioned.
By investing in these improvements, we are investing in our firefighters. We are investing in people who invest their lives in us as the residents of Frisco.
You really want to take your time and do it right. We brought in the captains to really hone in on what they wanted in the station.
The fire department asked us our opinion, and what you see is what the officers, along with the executive staff, and all decided was going to be the best.
During construction, the firefighters lived in a trailer behind the station and are glad the renovation is complete.
It's like a new home, right? Getting used to everything, just enjoying a new place and a new environment.
It's like having a brand new station, but then again, we still have the feel of the old place.
The renovation cost about $8.7 million and was paid with voter-approved bond funds.
Residents own the building, and they're more than welcome to come here at any time for a tour. Just knock on the door, come in.